hold on. Is it time to go back to a state park I haven't been to in a while? Back to a state park that I love? Oh yeah, and you're coming with me. Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and I am out and about at Seminole State Park. I came here a couple of years ago and it was absolutely beautiful. I really enjoyed my stay here. A new state park in a new state. All right, so I am staying at Seminole State Park in Georgia. Anytime I stay in Georgia, I like to say Georgia. Let's give you a quick tour of the park, tell you a little bit about how easy it is to get in and out and park, take you on a hike, and just show off a little bit of where I'm staying. Hey, just a reminder, if you like the content that's coming out on this channel, make sure you click and subscribe, hit that bell notification, smash it, trash it, do whatever you have to do. It'll let you know whenever new videos come out on the channel. So I wanted to come back a couple of years later, especially after last year's hurricane, which rocked the area, Hurricane Michael. And it took them a while to get the state park back up. It is now open, but you can see remnants of the entire storm that just really has changed the whole kind of face of the park. A lot of the hiking trails are now closed, so you can't really get a lot of good hikes back in the woods, but there's still a lot to do here. So the landscape really has changed a lot since Hurricane Michael. There are thousands of trees torn down. I spoke with one of the park rangers, and they said they don't know that they'll ever replant them again unless they get a whole bunch of trees kind of donated. But it's interesting to see how the power of nature has reformed and changed this park. Here, check this out. It's an absolutely beautiful state park, and you know, it's part of nature. You know, a hurricane comes through, knocks everything down, and then it has to regenerate itself. So for years to come, as this continues to grow back into the park it'll be different, it'll be unique, and it'll be exciting as you go through all of it. So that's my take on Seminole State Park. I hope you get a chance to come on out and check it out. It is a great park, even in its current state. Hey, just a reminder, you can follow me all over the web at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, have some fun, and explore, especially if you get a chance to come to a state park like this, which is growing again. I think you'll really appreciate what it's like now, and then in a couple years what it turns out to be. Thanks very much. Have a great day. We'll see ya.